Hello there, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to tell you guys a Fiverr gig idea, through which you guys can earn about $100 a day, working for 1 hour daily. In this video, first I will tell you the gig idea, the scope of the gig, and also the complete process to do this for free. Moreover, this gig idea requires no experience and time. What it does require is your precious time. Before I start my video, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start our video. First of all, I will tell you guys about the gig idea. The gig idea is pattern design. On Fiverr.com, if I search for pattern design, this will show there are around 5,000 gigs available, but if we filter out the online sellers, it will show only 227 gigs available. Compared to this, if I search for logo design, it will show around 200,000 gigs. It means that the competition is at its peak. If we filter out online sellers, it will show more than 8,000 gigs available. These are double than the original available in pattern design. So, there is no competition in this gig. Here you guys can see that people are getting many orders. People have got orders of more than 1K, which is simply wonderful. These are simple, seamless pattern designs. You guys will generate these pattern designs using AI. Don't worry, it's completely free to use for commercial purposes. I recommend you guys to see the profiles of these designers before creating a gig. This will give you a proper idea of how you have to create gig in this category. You guys can watch my video to create clickbait gig image. The link is in description. If I search for pattern merchandise, here you guys can see that these pattern designs are used on t-shirts, bags, hoodies, kidswear, etc. People have multiple means of selling these pattern designs. They can also sell them as digital print on Etsy or Shopify stores. You guys can also sell pattern designs on master bundles. Now let's create our pattern design. For this, we will use Leonardo AI. This is a great AI tool to create different images. You guys can also create 3D pictures from it. You just have to click on Launch App and sign up using your Google ID for a free account. You guys can see that this AI tool can do the possible work for you. All these images are generated by Leonardo. On the left side, I will scroll down and click on Image Generation. Here is our interface. You guys will get 150 tokens each day for free. These tokens are used in image generation. You can decide the number of images you want, also the image dimensions. You can make it manually using these sliders. Make sure to click on tiling while creating patterns. This will be very helpful. You guys can also use the image-to-image option. Through this, you guys can generate similar images. To understand this AI more, I will recommend you guys to spend some time on this site. I am sure this will not bore you. Moreover, it will be very helpful for you guys to create stunning images. Now I will click on Prompt Generator. This is very helpful. You just have to add your basic idea, and it will generate a professional prompt for you. You guys can also add a negative prompt, the things you don't want in your images, like 2 heads, for legs, and hands. Now I will paste my prompt, add some keywords like flat illustrations, vector art, high resolution. The mode is Leonardo Diffusion, and click Generate. It will cost me 4 tokens. The image will be generated in less than 30 seconds. You guys can see how beautiful this pattern is. You can simply click on to download this image and use it commercially. Now let's create a different pattern using a different prompt. For this, I will again create a prompt from Prompt Generator. This time I will use another mode. There are different modes, you guys can use whatever you like. This pattern is also very beautiful. Now, on the left side, click on Leonardo Alchemy. It is a bespoke 2D image pipeline, which brings incredibly high-fidelity image generation and coherence to all existing platform models. In other words, it will enhance your image to a new level. But, this will cost double tokens. There are also different modes in Alchemy. I will choose Illustration. Now, I will create another pattern using another prompt. I think you guys have learned how to create amazing patterns using this tool. For the people who are still watching, The additional tip is that you guys can also create professional pattern designs in Canva. Designing pattern designs in Canva is very easy and it is also free. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. For any questions, just ask me in the comment box. Thanks for watching.